Ew. This looks like shit. Ew, why didn't I, like, fix this up? Hot mess. Hi, this is my everyday makeup routine, and it's gonna be the laziest ass makeup routine you've ever seen. So judge me, don't judge me, do whatever you want. First, I am shaving my eyebrows because I have the jankiest eyebrows you'll ever see. I hate them more than you do, so word. I have a thyroid condition.
What's that mean, thyroid?
First step, we're gonna put on our foundation. This isn't really foundation though. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Perfector 4-in-1 Glow makeup. It's a primer, concealer, highlighter, and BB cream. Are we putting on actual primer first? No, because I just think primer is a bunch of lies and a scam, and we really don't need that shit. I think it's companies lying to you, because I've worn makeup without primer plenty of times and it has not made a difference. So I think primers are a scam. I think it's a government thing. Maybe it's the Illuminati. Anything's possible. I just remembered I forgot my ring light. Take that and just bounce that in. Sometimes I'll just use my hands because your hands are your best tool for everything, for cooking, baking, makeup, other fun activities, you know. So use your hands. They're your best tools. Next, we're gonna conceal our lives because just gonna conceal all over the freaking face. So conceal under here, conceal under here. Why are my eyes watering? I don't know. Is it concerning? Yes. Am I gonna do anything about it? Nope. And just blend that shit in too. We're gonna powder our face. I don't use setting powder anymore. I just use regular flat powder. It's a good thing I have a backup one because I knew I hit pan. So we're gonna use this. It's the CoverGirl Clean Fresh. I love this powder. It is so good and stays on all day. And it's a clean powder. We doesn't have no talc and mica, which is perfect. You know, I don't use any makeup with talc and mica, and neither should you. That shit is harmful and can give you all sorts of terminal illnesses. So I would recommend you don't use makeup like that. But nobody freaking listens to me. You guys are cool. I love you guys. You guys are my best friends, and I appreciate you. Since I can't find a black eyeliner, I don't know where mine went, I'm using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean to do my waterline. So let's do this with one hand. This is definitely gonna come out wonderfully. What am I thinking? What am I thinking? Look at this. What am I doing? Really, bitch? Really? Really, bitch? Do you do eyeshadow? No, son. No. I do blush, and that's my eyeshadow. So I'm going to take my blush, And I'm going to do 2 in 1. I'm going to do my blush and my eyeshadow at the same time. Bam. Saves time. That's what I do. So I'm taking Flower Child out of this Jimi Hendrix eyeshadow or blush and highlight palette. Ah, perfect. 2 in 1. Saves time and it looks cute as hell. So that's what I've been doing for a year now since I learned this trick. And it's a look too. Hell yeah. Watch me. Watch me. Watch me do what's left of my little eyebrow nubs. So this does not take long, and I still, no matter what I do, still can't do these right. Even though there's barely anything there, still can't do it right. So like that and like that. There's still 2 different sizes. What the fuck? I just cut them or trimmed them. What is going on? What the fuck? You know what? That's gonna have to do. I don't give a shit. Next, one of my all-time favorite highlights in Blossom Glow from Wet n Wild. I love this highlight. Make sure you get up here, your upper cheek, your like cheekbone right by your eye. That's what makes it look like you've got a lifted face right there. Don't take makeup advice from me because I don't know what the shit I'm doing, but I know it looks good. And get over your eyebrow, do all of that. Just make yourself glow, make yourself shiny, shimmery. Beautiful. My boyfriend's texting me, and yes, I said that, my boyfriend. We're making it kind of official. I know I've been saying over the past few years that I'm in a situationship, and it still kind of is, but it's more of a relationship now. But yes, Biff, my BF, is texting me. I'll have to get back to him later. Here, we'll just put some in the inner corners because I don't feel like getting my eyeshadow palette out. So like, look, we're even being lazy with that. Look, beautiful, wonderful, lazy. I'd be putting lashes on too, normally when I do my makeup, but that's when I'm doing like special makeup, everyday makeup, just mascara. This is the Essence Princess some shit mascara. This is like my favorite mascara of all time. Shit, I just got some on my eyelid. Taking the Italia lip liner in Hazelnut and just gonna line my lips and fill them in a little bit with that. Now I'm taking this lipstick that I got from Dollar Tree. I don't remember the name of it, but I love it so much. It is such a beautiful color. I love this lipstick so freaking much. If I find it again, I'm picking up another one. It is just such a beautiful nude. Look at that. Such a beautiful color. Just taking some lip gloss and lightly tapping it on the lips because I gotta have glossy lips. Gotta have some hydration on my lips. I gotta have some gloss. I love gloss. Glossy ass lip. Look at that. Look at how that just accentuated my whole entire face. My whole look. I just went from ugh to decent to kind of like a badass bitch. Not gonna lie. Then setting spray. This is my favorite setting spray of all time. It's the e.l.f. Stay All Day Blue Light Micro Setting Spray. Primer might be a lie, but setting spray is no joke. You need that shit in your life.
Such a whore. I need her. When she on me, I don't feel so lonely. Make me honey. Ride me like a pony. That's that money. She's just such a fucking whore. I love it. I just fuck her on the side. And she bitch for me online. For a pussy, I would die. Every second we on fire. Roman pride. They use it item. The six of
I didn't even have my blaze light in frame this entire time.
I'm the hottest round. I told y'all motherfucker, y'all can stop me now. Listen to me now. I'm less than 20 rounds. And if you won't, now people jump around. Get your freak on. 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 Who's that bitch? People you don't know.
All right, that's it. That's it. I don't know.